When one goes to the spiritual world, is compartmentalized. It's your guru, your Sakhi Parampara, and the Astasakis and Astamandris, and then Radha and Krishna, and Sevakunj, Nidhivan, Rasastali, and others. So you have, that's why we say my Radha, my. You see in the bhajans, in Bengali bhajans, say more Prananath, more Radha, more Krishna. My, this mamta, mamata. So, have you seen my Thakurji? Have you seen my Thakur? Have you seen my deities? Yes, I said this before. So in the same way, everyone, each devotee will have his aikyam, his intimate relationship with Krishna according to his permanent mood of love. And then Sridhar Swami, he explains, what does the word Sorida mean? Sorida means friendship. But in this case, he says that Soridam represents Bhakti Devi, Shri. So he says oneness, Aikyam Soridam means a relationship of devotion. Aikyam Soridam, a relationship of devotion or bhakti. Then Tanmayatam. Tanmayatam means absorption. It means full absorption, because it says Nityam Haro Vidarato, that they exhibited, that's why Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur says that these pastimes with these devotees representing these negative emotions of fear and lust and anger, and these pastimes of the devotees or the personalities representing positive emotions of sneha and surit and aikyam, intimacy and conjugal love, they're eternal and they're existing, and even today and for all days in the future, anyone who follows these devotees or these particular moods of love or approach towards Krishna, he will yanti, hari yanti, yanti tanmayatamita. He will attain an eternal relationship with Krishna as they did. And why does he say their pastimes are eternal? Because this word, nityam haro vidadato. Vidadata means exhibiting or displaying. These emotions, 3 positive and 3 negative, nityam haro vidadato. They are nityam vidadato, eternally being exhibited and displayed with Lord Hari, either in Voma Vrindavan or Goloka, or right here as a sadhaka. In our relationship, this emotion, we may display this emotion of lust and lust after Krishna and follow the Gopi Anugata with their intense surrender and their intense dedication, which is practically on the brink of madness and attachment like lust. So then, Nityam Haro Viradato, we will display that feeling with Hari, and that will bring us to eternity.